Hi, this is Carmen. I'm back. This is my second video and I want to talk again about my PokerStars touch program experience. So the first experience, overall it's been just wonderful. It's been so much fun. I'm learning so much about the game and I can't, it's like a new learning experience every day. So the first video, I think I talked to you about, like, I am such a rookie. Like, I was confused between, like, black cards, like, which the spade and the ace, so I've got that figured out, and I'm smooth sailing. So the second thing I did was I picked up Daniel. Daniel, of course, is PokerStars champion from Canada, where I'm from, and so I've been reading his book a lot, and that's been a big help. I've really enjoyed it. But the two lessons that I've kind of taken from Daniel are, one, I learned what cards to play and what cards not to play. So really focusing on what hands are good to play and which hands I should fold on. So I've been trying to stick to that and not deviate when I get nervous or, you know, things are kind of going crazy. Like, for example, I played in a tournament today and everybody was just going all in, and then they would just buy in more. So, you know, I just stayed patient and I just kind of let them do their thing, and they, you know, all dropped off, and then, you know, I kind of moved on and things kind of got more stable after that. So if anybody has any advice on what to do when that happens, let me know. The second thing I learned from Daniel, and I had no idea that it was that important, was positioning. So, you know, I understand sort of the wheel and where you are, you know, I forget what the terminology is, but, you know, when you're in the blind, in the small blind, and then when you're in the middle position, and then when you're in the last position, I have a way better idea of what that means and how I should play accordingly and which cards I should hold on to and let go. So overall, I think I've had huge improvements. Like I said, I've been in about 20 tournaments. It's starting to rain. I'm going to finish up quickly. It's starting to rain! So I've been in about 20 tournaments. My best show has been, this is fun, just watching me getting soaked. My best tournament was definitely yesterday. I scored 15 out of 24, or 244. I was 15. So I was really happy about my finish. The other thing I want to talk to you really quickly is about the support. I've had amazing support from the team at PokerStars. I had an issue with my account, and within seconds they had me up and fixed and running. Okay, it's really raining out here. I'm gonna run. I'll talk inside once I change my clothes. Bye.